first story tonight, here on the Bullshit News Network, Danny DeVito was found absolutely massacred in his apartment earlier this morning, surrounded by various meats and also cheeses. His heart was stabbed through with a bratwurst, and cheese was leaking from his eyes. More about that later, however, forensic scientists are still looking into the case. Thank you, Aidan. Now, we're going to be switching it over to an interviewer we have out in the field to be talking to people about current global problems that everyone is affected by.
We're going to ask you is, what do you think is going to happen between Russia and Turkey?
What? I'm not sure if I know much about this.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. Tyler, what do you think is going to happen when they turn the freaking frogs gay?
Well, technically frogs are genderless. So if they're gay, that means the square root might be 3 or so.
Natalie, we are asking you, so what do you think schools and math classes should start teaching? Should they start teaching about rocket science?
Am I allowed to swear?
Yeah, go ahead.
No. I would cry.
Why not? Why not?
I would cry. It would affect my mental health.
Hey, Andre, and so we are going to ask you, how do you view science classes going, and do you think they should teach you more or less?
Yeah, I love PE. I mean, PE is great. I mean, we should do more of it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so what's your favorite part of math class and why?
I love the adding chemicals together, like the atoms, neutrons, protons, all that. I love it. I love it.
What's your name?
David Rashford.
We got David Rashford here, also known as Rash Daddy. And so...
Dante. Hi. All right, so what do you think about Danny DeVito having meat and cheese spread all over him and deadness?
Danny DeVito.
Yeah.
I think it would look great.
You think it would taste good?
I think it would taste like pistachio ice cream.
Colby, correct? And we are asking you, what do you think about vegan push-ups?
What is a vegan push-up?
Yeah. So let's, Aidan, what do you think?
All right, so a vegan push-up is, mind if I demonstrate real quick? All right, hold that.
I got you.
All right, so what you gotta do? Get on your fucking hands. Lettuce.
And that's a vegan push-up. And what did you think about that, Colby?
I think that looked absolutely scrumptious.
So, Aidan, we're going to ask you about mask mandates and how do you feel?
What about them?
Do you think it's good for lizards?
Just about.
And why is that?
Why do you care? I mean, you're not a lizard, are you?
I am.
Okay, well then, why are you asking me? I should be asking you that, shouldn't I?
All right, then ask me.
Okay, what do you think about mask mandates and how does it affect you as a lizard person?
It keeps the environment clean.
Well, there's your answer.
So that's the answer you're gonna give?
I mean, no, because you just answered it yourself.
Okay, well let's ask this about dolphins then.
I've ever been a part.
Well, that's fine.
What do you say to that?
It's not supposed to be good.
Okay.
You answered your own question. Do you agree with me now?
About what?
Exactly.
Same. I mean, sure.
All right, now can we say thank you for attending Bullshit News?
I need to plug something. Yeah, plug it. I'm trying to think of something. What's something I should plug?
Plug BSNN.
BSNN. Buy it. Buy Salmonella NN. Now or never.
Thank you, everybody. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Gino, from back in the fields.
Camera 1.
All right. Thank you, Gino, from back in the fields. That's the end of BSNN. Bye-bye.